Nicole with Living Well Properties, and I am out at Mustang Lakes today to check on the Perry Homes build behind me. So they've got the drywall up, they've textured, I believe the cabinets are in, and they've got a bunch of wood in the garage, so it looks like they're getting the trim work up. So let's flip this around and we're going to go check it out. All right. Okay, so I wanted to point out they have delivered your stone. Looks like we are still waiting for brick, but they do have this giant mound of sand out here, which they use to actually mix with the mortar and put the brick up. So that's good that that's already here. That should be going up very soon. So that stack of wood here in the garage is what I was talking about. That's for all the trim, all of the baseboards and whatnot around the house. So it looks like they've started it, but we'll get inside and check it out. So I'm gonna go through the front door. This is a 3-car tandem for those of you watching. So you've got the entry here, they've got the split in the middle. So it's not one big garage door, it's 2 separate. Nice, big, beautiful 2-story entryway here. All right. Oh my gosh, they have your floors in. That's so cool. I did not know that. Awesome. Look, so it's dirty. Obviously, it's going to get clean, but that's awesome. Wow. Okay, so coming in, beautiful entryway, and then you've got an office here to the right. And continuing in, I'm going to shut the door behind me. There we go. Okay, so this door here to my left that's open, that's coming in from the garage, right? I'm going to close that too. Okay, so we've got off to the right here, you've got a coat closet. So that's some of the trim work, right? So when they put the shelving in and all that, that's all part of trim work. And then you can see obviously the door frames, that's trim work as well. So they've got your doors hung. Awesome. Forgot to point out the texture, but I'll do that in a minute. This is a powder bath. And then they have your laundry room. They've got the shelving up to go above. And back out where we can see a little bit better. Your walls are textured. So they haven't painted them yet, so it's kind of like, it doesn't look like it's filled in because it has been painted. So they literally just use a gun and they blow texture on the wall. And the reason they do that here in Texas is because our sheetrock is thinner than what they use throughout the rest of the United States. And in order for you not to see the seams from one piece of sheetrock to another, they put the texture up. So you will not find a home in Texas without this. Well, I'm sure there might be one or two, but most homes have this on the walls. So it's very common. They call it knockdown or orange peel because it kind of looks like an orange peel. It's really cool. Awesome. Okay, so beautiful stairway, more trim work here as you can see. Oh, it's so pretty. And the balusters, I love the iron balusters. They're so pretty. And this is also all open up here, which we'll see once I get in there. But okay, dining room, nice big area. And then it's all open to your family kitchen and eat-in kitchen. So here are your cabinets, holy cow. What? Oh, that looks so good. Of course, that's your island right there, but they are going to put it where it's supposed to be, in the middle. And then the upstairs, you see how this is all open? I love that, those banisters and everything. God, they look so good. So pretty. Beautiful, huge ceilings in here. Windows up top and down on the first floor. Those are not operable. I know I've said that before. I just want to really drill that home. So all of these windows down here are not operable. It's strictly aesthetically pleasing not to have that break in the window. So they're getting the trim work up around the fireplace. That looks fantastic. So that'll be tile along the inside, but this is all wood on the outside. Really tall ceilings. Okay. So they've got your shelving up in the pantry, so you can see it's a nice, really good sized pantry. And then, yeah, these cabinets still need to be painted and all that, but fact that they're in is very exciting. So your oven will be over here with the microwave above. And then where the cabinets are sitting on top there, that's your stove top. And then your refrigerator will go here behind, or next to the pantry behind this door here. Refrigerator, and then your sink and dishwasher will be in your island right here. So yeah, that looks really, really good. All right, we're gonna go check out the master. Just tucked back here. All right, so your bathtub is here, but not installed yet. Beautiful. See these windows, you see how there's a break in the middle? That means these are operable. So you'll be able to open them for, you know, if you ever want to, which there's really only a short period of time you can do that here in Texas. All right, then double doors into the master bathroom. You have his and hers vanities, so now it's even easier to understand where these are with the cabinets in. So one vanity here, one vanity there, and then the tub will be dropped in there once they're done with all the tile work. And it looks like they might have just completed it, so it's probably, well, I need to cut a little bit of it, but yeah, that tub should probably be installed by the next time I get out here. So you have a linen closet in here. All the shelving is in. And then door casings, everything's in. That looks fantastic. We've got the master shower. Tile is in on the shower. That looks really good too. So they did a vertical offset pattern here. So the tiles are going up and down instead of side to side, and it's like a brick pattern because they're not straight, right? So it's kind of zigzagged. And then here's another, not another linen closet. Here's your water closet. And then the master closet is here. All the shelving is up. Rods are usually one of the last things to go in, but turn around and more. Oh wait, behind this door here is some shelves too. So awesome. That looks great. These doors are heavy, which means they're solid core doors. Those are expensive. That is a nice feature to have in this house, especially considering it's an inventory home. So Harry and Britton, they're really great about doing some upgrades like that, just including them in their awesome homes. Okay, upstairs we've got a media room and another living space or game room area and 3 more bedrooms. So right at the top of the stairs, media room. Another 2 windows, inoperable. They're just for aesthetics and to let light in. So that is where you've got 2 speakers on the wall back there. So if you wanted to hang a projector or something, TV, whatever. More speakers on the other side of the windows. Coming out, you have your second living space, game room area, really large area. More windows and closet for storage. So we've got 2 bedrooms that way and 1 over here. So you have a full bath, single sink vanity. That looks great, really great. And then secondary bedroom. These windows are operable. And then you have closet, nice big walk-in closet. Again, rods will go in later towards the end, which we're not far from. And then across the way, I like these little cutouts here. That's cool. Just, I don't know, just breaks up that wall a little bit. You've got a bedroom at either end here. So, and then you have a bathroom, a Jack and Jill bathroom that's directly behind this wall. So, bedroom. Another walk-in closet. And then you have a single sink vanity. And then we get into the Jack and Jill portion, the shared portion where you have the toilet will go there. You got the tub shower combo in here, tile is up. And they are really moving along on this house, that's amazing. Lots of storage in here. Holy cow, this is another pantry. That's a ton of storage. And then you have, we're walking into the other side now. So you've got single sink vanity. It's identical to the side we just walked through. And then the last of the secondary bedrooms. Awesome. That looks fantastic. And then I'll take a peek over the little balcony area here and you can see down to the front. Whoops. Awesome. And let's go look at the back. Go on the patio. This patio is one of my favorites because it's so big. I mean, it's another living space. You've got so much room out there. That's going to be really nice once you put a pool in, and you'll have a ton of just space to put couches and whatever you want back there. So cool. All right, I might be able to get back out there, depending on how close this cabinet is. These floors look so good. I really like this light wood. Okay, going out. Oh, look, your neighbors are playing on the trampoline. All right, big, big, big patio. Love it. Looks so good. Awesome. Very cool. All right. That's all she wrote this time, guys. That looks so fantastic. Let me flip this back around. Okay, guys, that completes the tour this week. They've done so much. I'm actually surprised to see that the trim work and all that has gotten up. They are really moving along. So we should see, this island will be installed this week, and then the tub, hopefully, and then you'll get countertops, and I mean, there's really not too much left to do, so that's really exciting. That bodes well for us really trying to push a closing before the end of this year. So fingers crossed, God willing, this will happen for you guys, and you'll be able to come join us here in Texas. Yay! If you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me. If you saw anything in here that you know, maybe doesn't look right or whatever, you guys let me know, and I will take care of it for you. And for those of you tuning in for the first time, I'm Nicole ROANE with Living Well Properties, and I love to give this kind of service to all of my buyers who are looking to do new construction. So if you're in the market, please give me a call, text, or email, or you can schedule a Zoom session with me via the button below, and I look forward to hearing from y'all. So until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.